Murshid, you are coming first time?
Okay. I think
Hello.
in this group, no, actually, I'm already a member of the WhatsApp group, but on Telegram, first time at in your group.
Okay, okay. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Shahid Nazir from Pakistan.
So, did you any means you work in Dubai also, no?
No, in Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. Actually, I'm yes. Because previously last year I working in field study. You know field study, hopefully.
Field static.
Yes, because in when we work in manufacturing company, we receive only data sheet.
Mm-hmm.
Data sheet is a last part of the project because before data sheet, field study start the process. So 30% to 90% field study. So last year I am part of the field study.
Okay. Before feed, there is a concept also, no? Concept study. First concept, then feed, then
Yeah,
detail
yes,
engineering.
he only proposed some one object, then start the field study,
Uh-huh.
and then go to the proposal and then project stage.
Yeah. So now you are in a detail stage.
Yes,
Okay, okay. Detail stage of power plant, one of the power plant you are doing.
yes.
It's in Saudi only or
But
it's
we are working in both.
yeah.
But we are working in both fields because in Saudi Arabia we are working multi tractions. Then we survive.
Oh. So, but multi tasking then it will be difficult not to complete. If some priorities are comes, then it will be difficult to.
Yes, difficult. But if you get higher salary, then you will work.
Uh,
Otherwise, so many problems create.
yeah.
Because mostly people work in multi disciplines.
Uh, so yours is power plant discipline and static and any other.
In static and last year I worked static plus rotary and power plant
Oh, rotary also
in
you
my
are.
previous company. But yes, now currently I'm not working in rotary,
Uh,
only working in static and power plant side.
so rotary, you have experience or you just they put in the rotary discipline.
No, first time I worked in last year for the rotary.
Okay, so you worked in rotary also. Means previously you had some.
Still the working start on the rotary side.
Okay, so
Yes.
means if any data sheet or any TBA, you can able to do that one
Yes, it's not a big deal. Yes,
because rotary normally many things are dependent on this one vendors inputs and that one. So in static
yes,
maximum we are designing in that one, but in rotary maximum are inputs from vendor only. We maximum depend on vendors.
vendor only. Yes,
Yeah,
vendor and codes. Yes,
yeah, vendors and codes and that one. So still
I
you are
think
able to handle that one.
yes.
Okay, good. Uh, okay, any issues or anything do you want to discuss here?
No, when
Uh, Atul, can you unmute because you are on mute?
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, you are audible. Do you have any?
I have a little query.
Yeah,
I have a little one query about a tube challenge channel stress summary for tubeless analysis report.
tube and shell. Can you please repeat?
Channel stress tube cell and channel stress summary.
Tube, shell, and channel summary.
There is a
Yeah.
challenge stress summary, but in tube sheet analysis there are so many factors like D2 uncorroded, D2 corroded. Which factor impacts this directly? Which component of heat exchanger?
Your voice is in between breaking. You have the report of tube sheet, shell side, and means complete. You have the report
Uh,
in that one. You are getting some error.
मैंने yeah I am getting one error which is stress ratio is going up to 1.225 for D23 D2C D2 corroded and D3 corroded.
Yeah. What is
And
this
how to reduce this stress issue?
D2? What it is D2? You are telling it's related to what?
D2 corroded, D2 corroded, and D3 corroded. It is related to tube shell channel summary, channel stress summary.
Tube side summary.
Uh,
Mushid,
wait, I am sharing a snap also.
okay. You are sharing on the group or you are sharing on this screen?
I just shared
You shared in the group or okay.
in the Telegram.
Okay. Okay. Murshid, do you want to answer his query? Yeah, Atul. Just I seen the what you are posted now. Here, I think the summary what you are getting. These are the combinations, load combination, and that one. And in that load combination, there are few which are crossing the limit. Due to that one, it's failing. And to avoid that one, you can provide some additional supports or in the tubes and that one, like last time what we discussed on that. So additional some
Yeah, but thermal design is not my scope. Given inlet and outlet spacing are completely we check and checked by the client, and he said that thermal is okay, but mechanical is failing.
okay, but you can inform them that these are due to what your input you provided it's failing, so we want to increase.
I informed that. I informed that he said I recheck it again and it is okay.
So increase then your some of the thickness or something in the maybe the buffets whatever you connected, that one thickness you can increase, or maybe some
Hello.
yeah.
Actually, I am not seeing this of the question of Atul Sharma. If we share, then we describe what is the issue of the tube sheet.
He shared in the our Telegram group. Yeah, this is one what we want to share. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Actually,
Yeah, I can see that
this
now.
is failed due to thickness issue. I think material and thickness issue.
No, thickness is provided is extremely quite high or low.
No, because you setted material, but your development load is very stress allowed is 1334, but your shell stress is 1531.
So I have to digital put it in.
Yes, can you show the model? Open the model software. Then we easily. Actually, when you free and then to open the model, then we usually judge and solve the
I will
problem.
share the model tomorrow or Monday in the group.
Anyone know about the API tank and your 142 code?
API tanks.
Yes, atmospheric storage tank and your 142 is diesel storage tanks. Are you familiar?
API tanks, yeah, we done some of the API tanks. In that one, what is your query?
Actually, I know I am really working on the manual design calculation of API tanks, and are you know about the emergency vent calculation
Vent calculation.
manually? Emergency vent calculation manually.
By manually means you have to you are using Excel, no?
Yes, Excel without software. Yes.
Yeah. If you are using Excel, then you have to refer this API 2000 code. In API 2000 code.
Yes.
Yeah. So you aware of how it will be in API 2000? Did you work with API 2000?
Yes, I am already working on the pressure vessel exchanger cooler tanks APC 50 and UL 142, and some projects on the Div 2.
Yeah, but I'm asking API 2000. Did you work with API 2000? How it calculates, or how it? Do you aware of how it?
Yes, little bit I aware, and today now currently I am working on this topic for API 2000 calculations. Well, Hopefully today or tomorrow he will end. Then I discuss with you.
Oh, okay. Just I want to some information. It's normally calculates on the inflow and outflow of this venting. Means whenever there is a liquid is coming in,
Yes.
whatever the airs are going from
Yes.
that vent, and how much it should be flow from that vent, it calculates in that one. And when it's the
Anything and
floating roof, when it's downing, on that time, when the liquid, again the liquid is coming in and that, accordingly the outlet and that one, how much the air should, or the whatever the vapors should flow out from there, like that it calculates.
Yes.
Okay, anything more? Okay, Atul or Mushid, anything more you want to?
Yeah. If I have to submit calculation for backing ring in Shear. What is it?
Back engineering.
Backing ring in Shear.
Okay. Backing ring and supporting ring.
Backing ring calculation in Shear. I have to submit calculation backing ring in Shear. They just mark backing ring in Shear. I think it's a Shear calculation for backing ring.
It's in vessel, you want some backing ring calculation.
Yeah, in Shear option load. I think this is different from normal calculation.
Okay, so what you want to know in that one?
No, I didn't get it right now. Anything regarding this.
You are not able to find out how to calculate
Yeah,
that.
I am unable to find out how to do it, and I little bit know it is required when we have to check backing ring will backing ring will fail or not.
You want to verify that one, backing ring, whether it fails or
Yeah, yeah. Once one time before I also get it this comment, but that time they said it is not required in generally, so you can bypass it. But right now they are asking for to be provide.
Okay, so backing ring you can do with WRC and that one, but in WRC if you are doing, then you have to consider it's a separate ring, then you have to do WRC.
So backing WRC, which method I have to follow? WRC 107, and there is an option round and solid.
WRC 107 and that one, if it is connected to your shell, and then you have to do that one, that ring.
Okay. And which one I have to consider?
Yeah, it's solid, you have to consider that one, and accordingly you have to do.
Okay.
Like
Okay,
lifting
I
lug and that one, how we do, no? Like according, like that you have to.
Okay.
More, Atul?
No.
So, Atul still with...
Outside geometry, but inside due to floating tube sheet, it will reduce like 50 to 70%. So that thickness you have to check it is enough or not.
So either you have to go with this ANSYS or with FEA in by using nozzle probe.
I think it is a manual calculation. I think it is manual calculation and
But if you,
manual calculation.
yeah, you have already nozzle pro with you, no? So you can try with the nozzle pro. Nozzle pro also do this FEA calculation on that one. So just you have to enter that.
Nozzle pro also do, but I did not recommend nozzle pro to use because backing ring calculation, shear calculation is widely used. That's why I am interested in manual calculation.
Okay, you want to go with manual calculation.
Yeah, sure.
But manual calculation, do you have any sheets, Excel sheets or something, whether it's...
Yeah, I have to consider it.
In that one, in Excel, how you done that one? Means using the WRC or something, how you done?
For which one? Backing ring?
Yeah.
No, I did not use it. I did not use it in my past experience. This is first time because if the E value like which is decreasing above,
Mm-hmm.
it is more than 50%.
Mm-hmm.
So shear calculation is not required generally.
Okay. Okay. So yours getting a more than 50%. So is it?
Yeah, yeah, I always design like a 50%, more than 50%.
Uh-huh. So no calculation is required then.
No calculation required. Is it like a saddle test condition is okay? So why we have to check in empty condition?
Okay. Okay. So you are taking that advantages and finishing the work as faster the way, no?
Yes, yes. And I also developed for a mini Excel for horizontal heat exchanger for a saddle bracket calculation. If
Okay.
exchanger is horizontal and we have to provide a bracket, not a saddle. So I develop and submit and code one that this calculation.
Okay. Uh-huh. So horizontal heat exchangers, they are resting on the brackets, not on the saddles.
Yeah, yeah.
Good. Well, normally heat exchangers on brackets it will be a vertical position, but yours is in horizontal positions.
Yeah, yeah. But vessel have to lift it on any platform. That's why they are
Uh-huh. Then how minimum four brackets? How many brackets you used to provide?
uh, four bracket.
Four bracket, no?
Roundical four bracket. In group is one group.
In one group, two brackets, right?
One group two brackets. Yes.
Okay, okay. Means yeah, at the place of saddles, you are putting this bracket two like that.
Yeah. There is no saddle.
Okay, okay. Good. So they
And
want
I also develop
yeah
anode calculation,
anode calculation.
cathode production calculation, manually.
Okay, anode and this CP calculation it comes for this material engineer, no?
Yeah, it comes from material engineer and technology provider, but sometimes the client has to push us that you have to calculate it, and we are providing just minor data like a ampere, what is like current density, current this is low, and you have to buy cathode as any material and calculate as per 5 years capacity or 20 years capacity.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have to calculate it. But although this is a technology provider work.
Mm-hmm. So they will ask you to do that one.
Nowadays, I am seeing that in the last 2 months, if designing in our scope, client is also thermal is also giving us. You have to check the thermal guarantee also.
Then STR also you have to do.
No, no, no. I have said to my senior team, I will not do it. The process. This is not my responsibility.
Okay.
I'm only involved in mechanical.
So they are taking care then your process. So they are giving some additional work to you. Again you have to do this one. Again you have to do that one.
Yeah.
Okay. Any more points you want to discuss?
I have something how to calculate wind shape factor, TF. Generally, it is given in engineering design basis, but I'm changing my practice. That's why I'm setting up some points which one we have to calculate.
Yeah, it is given in their design basis or their specification. If not gives, then you have to check with their civil person, civil and structure. They have this one. Otherwise, if you want to check from your side, then you have to refer the code. Normally, the XCN that one, the civil code. That if you refer, then you will come to know XC7 and that one. So there it's given that. Okay, anything? So can we conclude then? No?
Yeah, sure. We can conclude because I have one more meeting with my team also in 8 p.m.
Okay then. Good night. Bye. See you.